Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're doing an awesome hike, doing Wilson's Peak, waiting to see if anyone else turns up. I think at this stage there was only one other person that was going to turn up. Just waiting for her, see if she turns up. I think it's about 20 past 6. So what we're looking at today is we're looking at about an 11.5k return up the rabbit-proof fence to the top of Wilson's Peak. It's about 800 metres of elevation, so it's pretty decent amount. So this is what they call a rabbit-proof fence. I'll be following today up the hike. It's now 6:30 on the dot. No sign of anyone else yet. I'll give her another 10 minutes or so, and then I'll just kick off on my own. So it's 6:45 now. I waited 15 minutes. No one else has turned up, so I just started walking on my own. So this will be a solo mission, Wilson's Peak. Can't wait. This is the rabbit-proof fence, if I've not mentioned it before. Rabbits arrived in Queensland in the 1880s, prompting the construction of a fence along the border. Over time, the Darling Downs Moreton Rabbit Board, DDMRB, emerged, responsible for maintaining a 555-kilometre fence across southern Queensland, protecting 28,000 square kilometres. DDMRB officers patrol and maintain the fence to prevent rabbit incursions and collaborate with local governments to assist landholders in rabbit control if needed. So I've been walking a little over 10 minutes. It's been a gradual climb the whole way. As you can hear, I'm a bit out of breath. Heart rate's 162. This obviously came down in the last storm. A few webs on the trail, so it's all good. It's all part of it, eh? So far, so good. A little bit of downhill on the uphill. I was just going to walk past this one, but then I noticed like that branch has come down and smashed that star picket into the ground, hey? Like, it would have been a solid hit. Speaking of smashing things, smash that like button if you like this video and consider subscribing for more awesome action out on the trails with your boy, Jimmy. All right, we're heading down a bit now. Just come across from over there. You can't really see, the sun's out. And it's been really quite nice. I've only been going about 35 minutes. Heart rate settled to a good 145. I'm enjoying this hike. Nothing like a solo expedition. You can kind of go at your own pace. It's actually really good. Like, it's good to have a hiking buddy. And I miss mine. But it's also good to get out sometimes and be alone in nature, living in the now and just enjoying it. Because what else you got? What else have you got? All right, I reckon first glimpse, and I'll zoom in on this when I'm editing, but I reckon that's Wilson's Peak there, straight ahead. So I've been walking down for a little bit. Looks like it continues down into a valley and then it's just going to be a straight climb, so look forward to that. Big termite's nest there. Something crawling on me. Oh my God, get off me. Get off me, what are you doing? I'm interested to know, comment below, what you guys think about if you go out solo hiking. What thoughts go through your head? Do you live in the moment? Do you take it all in? Or do you let your thoughts travel to the past or the future? I'm interested to know. I go between the two. I kind of flick between the past, and I try and stay present when I can, and sometimes it's really difficult, but I find that I'm often reflecting on the past, which is sometimes difficult because you can't change the past, you can't change what's happened. But all you can do is move forward and live in the now, because the now, like with this hike today, like walking is all I have to focus on at the moment. So it is difficult. So I'm just interested in people want to comment below and let me know. It is nice though, just hanging out here, eh? All right, been going 1 hour and 6 minutes. Done just over 4.5k. See the little blue dot? That's me. Just about to start the last epic summit to the top of Wilson's Peak. While I'm having a quick rest here, I just want to take this time to thank everyone for watching this video. Hopefully you're enjoying it so far. So while I'm on these hikes, I use a hydrolyte solution that's known to improve stem cells, flush out toxins from the body, and keep you hydrated. I also combine that with a supplement regime. There is a link in the description if you want to check it out. I'll put a card up on the screen or a flash up on the screen, or show my business name. If you guys want to check it out, you want to optimize yourself, the way it's done is to wake up your stem cells, because basically we're born with the same amount that we die with, but at about 50, which I'm coming up to 50, half of them are lazy and asleep and they're just not working for you, and that's why we get diseases and all that sneaking in. So regardless of the diet choices you make, everyone could benefit by taking some of these supplements. So check them out for yourself, link below. Just following where we think we can go. I can hear all kinds of noises and chirping and all sorts from within the jungle here. So you can still see the fences here. This is obviously part of the climb. This is where I probably should have had gaiters on and long pants, but it is what it is. All right, there we go, noises. All right, let's have a bit of a look here. We get through this little bit. It looks like it's a bit of a clearing through here, and then we'll regather ourselves up through here. All right, back onto the fence line. All right, I've just come from down there, and I've been resting for a bit to bring my heart rate down, and I've got to go up through there. So all I'm left with is my thoughts. All I've got is my thoughts, and that how easy it would be to turn around and go back down. And I sort of think, now's when I think about my hiking buddy, and I think we helped each other push through and get to the top of some cool mountains when she probably wouldn't have made it on her own. And so I'm just like thinking now, I'm going to use that to get me to the top of this mountain. It's just the thought that someone's here helping me, motivate me, and get me up there. But it's just me, myself, and I. Man. All right, let's go. I've still got a bit. I'm about halfway up the steep bit. Just started to feel a little bit dizzy. So I just had some of my hydration fluid and a bit of my Snickers bar. So I brought 3 Snickers bars, the big double ones. I left one in the car when I get back to the car, and I carried 2 on me. So yeah, I'm just having a moment here. Heart rate's still 148. Just trying to bring myself back to the present and just know that all I've got to think about is just each step until I feel like I need to rest, and however long it takes, I'll get there. Fuck, shit and Jesus, I just had a stack. If I wasn't holding onto the fence, which luckily there's no barbed wire on this one, I would have tumbled down a fair way. Now, my knee is killing me. because I must have knelt in some gimpy, and when I look above me, it's like everywhere. It's all above where I fell, which was just down there. So, fuck, my knee is killing me now. All right, I just got to push on. I can't turn around. I've got to push on. I'm still coughing, carrying on. Holy crap. It just keeps going and going. All right, far out. I'm just passing through this cute bit. It's all mossy. The sun was just hitting it nicely down there. Took a couple of photos. Big gimpy right there in the middle of it all. Didn't even see that before. Climbing again. Still going. Got to this cool boulder on the trail. We've been walking between the fence and the bush. Pretty tight, lots of webs, so no one's been up here for a while. So yeah, I'm still going. My knee's still killing me. I can feel that gimpy shooting down my leg and up my thigh. But I just want to get to the top now. I just want to get to the top. I think I'm almost there. Let's come up that little bit, up through these rocks. I've got to go up through there. You can sort of see the low-lying cloud now sweeping across. So it must be close. Let's get up there. So we've reached the side of a rock formation. I'm just walking beside it now along this makeshift trail. It looks like a trail. Okay, I've been walking probably the last 10 minutes beside this rocky outcrop along this trail, this makeshift trail. It's like there's no end in sight, but we're so close. Okay, we've come to a point where there's some ribbon and it looks like it goes right up now. This is where shit gets real. This is where it gets real. All right, that's the marker. Wilson's Peak. This is it. This is as far as I'm venturing, just because I'm on my own and I'm not sure if it drops off, because I know over there was a peak that it dropped off. But this is it. Not much of a view, but holy mackerel. This is it. I'm going to sit down and have a snack, and then I'm going to head back down. That last little bit coming up was pretty sketchy. It was basically a full-on climb, kind of like Biwa. So, and it's pretty slippery and wet, so I just took my time and did what I needed to do. But I'm glad I'm up here. I made it, conquered it. Gonna have a little snack, have some water, and I'm gonna head back down. I'm not gonna muck around today, so I need to get back. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my link in the description to support my channel. I'll see you guys later on. Goodbye. All right, we made it back. Far out. That took probably a bit over an hour to get back. Lots of downhill. I've ripped my shorts. My knees are buggered. I've cut myself on the fence. That was pretty epic. I underestimated that one, and doing it solo was probably not the best idea because there was a couple of sketchy parts. But we made it back unscathed, so whew. Now we got 2 hours to drive home, and yeah, have ourselves a shower and just a rest. So it's 10 past 11, so that's not too bad. I started about 6:45, was it? So yeah, 10 past 11, so that's not too bad. But yeah, it's a shame that other person didn't show up, but anyway. We did it on our own, which was probably better in the end. I don't know how it would have gone with someone else, but anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.